Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 24-inch LED TV. Here in this TV, the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. Here you can see, here the fault is red light blinking issue. It's because of the motherboard fault. So here we are going to install the V53 Universal board for 24-inch LED TV. Here the 12 voltage is steady. In this board all voltages are okay, but the problem is with the main IC. So instead of replacing the main IC, here we are going to replace the motherboard with the new one. See friends, finally here we installed this 53U52.2 motherboard. Instead of this original motherboard, here we installed this alternate universal motherboard. So now the installation is done and the TV is turned on. Here you can see the result. Now the picture comes and the TV works perfect. So the TV is repaired successfully. This universal motherboard is available in the market. Its price is around below 1000 rupees. So that's it. Now we can put the back cover back to TV. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thanks for watching.